Hi, I'm Katie and welcome to Wise Guides, where we give you and your team our best practices so you can get the most out of SiteOwl. Today we are going to talk about how SiteOwl customers get their existing data into SiteOwl and organically maintain it. SiteOwl's asset management for physical security is a game changer in the industry. Before SiteOwl, if you wanted to know all of your physical security assets, you had to cobble together as-builts, spreadsheets, and other systems to create some Frankenstein repository. Every SiteOwl customer has decided that a Frankenstein approach is not good enough for them and has gotten their data into SiteOwl. There are two approaches that customers use to get their data in. One, they load the data themselves with the help of our consultants, or two, they employ our value-added professional services. Before completing either of these, customers first gather data from multiple sources, such as their VMS, ACS, as-built, spreadsheets, sidewalks, and other systems. The actual upload of data to SiteOwl is made faster through our import-export tools. Simply put together an Excel spreadsheet with the right devices and their information. Next, import that information to add devices to the plan. We'll review and place the devices on the floor plan to get this final result with full device information. Finally, as you move through the course of your business, this information gets organically updated through projects in SiteOwl that go from design to install to our live sites, or as we like to call them, living as-builts. Our customers with a lot of sites, or who simply need an extension to their already busy teams, employ our professional services to do more than just upload data, but provide a custom plan and expertise to accommodate the varying degrees of data availability at your sites. Whatever path you choose, SiteOwl consultants are here to guide you to get you the visibility you deserve and that they have given other customers just like you. That's it for how to get data into SiteOwl.